Redneck Nation, I'm saying it loud. I got 3 speeds on, off, and bust your mouth. Don't cry, little boy, when them feelings get hurt. You know a buckle won't shine face down in the dirt. It's the life we know, stay thicker than blood. Try and sneak into the swamp, get stuck in some mud. Big buck, full clip, mud jump, pack lip. No canoes in the creek, gonna need a full ship. We're everywhere, like shit in the pen. Look left, look right, stepped in us again. Yeah, we're loud and we're proud, stand out in the crowd. And we don't fool everybody like that Hicks Life clown. We don't knock the life, cause we live like Hicks. But dude lies like a dog, better check it for ticks. Yeah, it is what it is, and I'm keeping this grin. It's a redneck nation we live in. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers, cousins, next of kin, stand up tall and represent the redneck nation we live in. Redneck nation we live in. Redneck nation we live in. You're smaller than a tick turd, you don't want the big dog. Better bring the whole herd, messing with these wild hogs. Redneck nation, stronger than a freight train. Always stick together like a brand new snatch chain. We stomp hard everywhere that we walk, and we never stop and think, man, before we talk. Yeah, we're hard-headed, but we're true to ourselves. Been known to hit the bar and drink the whole damn shelf. Get drunk and throw them dogs in the back of the truck. Pick bottleneck up and start running the buck. Hit an old swimming hole, alligators on the bank. Drink the whole damn keg, steady blaring some Hank. We don't stress this life, now we have a little fun. Say it loud and proud, yeah boy, get it done. Hey y'all, watch this with a beach nut grin. It's a redneck nation we live in. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers, cousins, next of kin, stand up tall and represent the redneck nation we live in. Redneck nation we live in. Redneck nation we live in.
We're getting diesel powered on this one for all you diesel pushers out there rocking the Duramax, Cummins, or the Power Stroke.
Bump this in your son.
They don't wanna see us lose. 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 Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose. They don't wanna see us loose. They don't wanna see us loose. Nah, nah. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose. 10 on the lift, big ball hitch, mud flaps on the back so the sheriff won't bitch. Horns on the hood, 33s rub, more girls in the limo than they do in the club. I put Cali on the map like Uriah did, like Nick and Nate Diaz, 209 this kid. Didn't need a pair of pliers to uncap this lid. We put the valley on the map before MapQuest did. Johnny Cash was alive and he's riding with the shine. Truck full of crackers and a box full of wine. 10 years on the grind, Kevin Zinger on the line. Get my mama on the phone, tell her I'm about to sign. I did it, I lived it, I get it, I'm raw. I spit it, I flip it, I give it my all. Built it from the ground up and did it with y'all. Hope I don't lose it, let it loose on your jaw. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose. They don't wanna see us loose, they don't wanna see us loose. Nah, nah. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it.
Hella shiny kids are coming out of the woodworks, are loading up the high pods and flipping the bird. They're drinking whiskey till they sauce, till they speak and flirt. And then they come and doing shows and singing every single word. Shit, the cataract sung, cause the way I recollect it, read the moonshine bandits for the first of country rap. Now we cash country checks from this country Cali rap. And I ain't satisfied till I got a country jet to fly my country ass around this country and raise hell. It took us 10 years and now we're loose from this jail cell. Well, Shine Nation is gonna help me raise hell. By the end of the night, they don't want all of us in jail. I'm a blue collar son, cause the style is automatic. On my midnight run, got my driving all erratic. And the coppers might cuff me cause I've been causing static. By the end of the night, I blow the roof above the attic. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it. Get loose, get loose, get loose. They don't wanna see us loose, they don't wanna see us loose. Nah, nah. Get loose, get loose, get loose with it.
Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it. Get loose. Get loose. Get loose with it.
Well, I went out last night, got fucked up and I blacked out, that's right. Cause we signed on the line and it's about that time for the nation to get up and get ready to shine. This is my family, I've been shining so hard I can barely breathe. And I had a couple biscuits along the way that try to settle me down, but I can never be down. Yeah, I don't get stuck in the rear view, but keep my eyes open, keep my mind in a clear view. And I can see this is real food, been down for day one and it's about to get real. You can say we did it underground, but we're a country cause we took you to the backwoods just to get funky with the 4x4s, automatic no stick, super swamper tire, 6-inch lift kit. Get loose with it, get loose with it,
Get loose. Get loose.
get loose with it,
Get loose.
get loose with it.
Get loose. Get loose. Get loose. They don't wanna see us loose. They don't wanna see us loose. Nah, nah. Get loose. Get loose.
Get loose with it,
Get loose.
get loose with it,
Get loose.
get loose.